Hey, Adam here, and I just wanted to show you I picked up a set of night vision goggles. Now these don't work like binoculars. You don't look through this way. You actually look through this way. These are the two apertures that bring in the light for these things to work. These are 4K night vision. They have a rechargeable battery inside of them. They come with this micro USB charge cable, and it actually comes with a memory card, which I've inserted in here, 32 gigabyte memory card. You have to press and hold this down for about 5 seconds in order to turn it on. And then it has this nice 3-inch screen. This is a TFT LCD screen, so you can see crystal clear photos and videos. It has an infrared illuminator on it that you can control the brightness of right on here on the top. Also has a function whether you want to take videos or if you want to take still photos. And then there's a mode button here to allow you to choose that. You can take pictures in 100% darkness or dim ambient light. You can also play back the videos and the photos that you take on here. It has an anti-shake capability, and that's just cool. It has a focus knob right here so that you can focus on things that are close or things that are far, depending on what you want. It has a 5x digital zoom that you can use right here on the top and just activate it that way. Yeah, you get the charger, you get the 5000 milliamp hour battery inside, you get the 32 gig card, you get the strap that comes around to just put it around your neck. You can lift it up, you can use it, you can see what's going on in pitch dark, take pictures, anti-shake. Really cool little set.